Hi, I'm James, and welcome to the video tutorial series for Fuzzlecheck 4. In this video, we'll cover the installation and setup of Fuzzlecheck, and in subsequent tutorials, we'll look at how Fuzzlecheck works and the different editions of Fuzzlecheck to help you determine which is right for you. But for now, let's get you set up. Now, at this point, we've downloaded the installer from the Fuzzlecheck website, and depending on whether you're using a Mac or a Windows computer, you have a disk image or an executable file on your desktop. Double-click and the Fuzzlecheck install disk is unwrapped, and now we simply drag the Fuzzlecheck 4 icon onto the applications folder alias. Wait for it to copy over, and then we can open our applications folder, scroll down to find Fuzzlecheck 4, double-click, and we're presented with our first Fuzzlecheck setup screen. Here our first three options are Login, New Account, and Try It. And since we're new here, we'll click here to create our new account. Here we're asked to create a screen name, something that's familiar to us, a valid email address, and a password. That again, something that's unique and easy to recall if needed. For security, make sure the password contains a combination of letters, numbers, and at least one capital letter. And this pull down here offers us a choice between high security and very high security. And the difference there is that the high security option means your password is stored on the Fuzzlecheck servers, and if forgotten, you'll have the option of changing it. Very high security means that if you lose your password, it cannot be recovered or changed, and all the data that you have stored on the servers cannot be accessed. We'll choose high security. Click confirm, and then we wait for our email to be validated by Fuzzlecheck. Okay, we have received a confirmation email from Fuzzlecheck with a code, and we type that code in here. Click confirm that we want to log in, and there we go. Okay, here's our Fuzzlecheck welcome screen that appears when we haven't started any projects or opened any files yet. You'll see this button confirms that we're logged in. Clicking on it gives us the option to either go to our online projects page, our account page, or simply to log out. So if you've purchased a single user license, you will then activate that license here. Type in the license, and you're all set up as a single user. But we want to utilize Fuzzlecheck 4's online features. So we're going to click New Online Project here. Click New Project here, and we're given this option screen. And this again is giving us the option of starting our own project using an online ticket, or simply starting a trial online project for evaluation purposes. Now we've purchased an online ticket through Fuzzlecheck.com, so we'll go with that option. Give the project a title, and then type in the ticket number. If you haven't purchased a ticket yet at this point, you are given the option to do so here. Okay, we'll copy our online ticket number here, click Create Project, and that will take us to our new online project here. So this is our main project window, which is empty at this point as we've yet to add any scenes to it. And this is the Fuzzlecheck Project Preferences window. We'll just close that out for now, and we'll have a look in the upper left corner at these buttons here. This is telling us we are online, and all changes are saved, and this represents me as the only online user at this point. Now the beauty of Fuzzlecheck 4 is the ability to collaborate online, so let's invite a member of the team to join us. We go under Online here, and select Add User. Now the person you are selecting to join as a collaborator needs to already be registered with Fuzzlecheck, and if they are not, you will be asked at this point to send them an invite. So we'll just enter Karis's email, and she's in. Now here we have the access options that we can grant to our collaborators, making them part of the admin team, normal users, or we can cancel their access at any time. We'll leave Karis as a normal user so she can add to the project, and we'll cover access management in more detail in another tutorial. Now if your collaborators don't feel like sitting around while you set up a new project, you can open a local file that is ready to take online, and then invite them to join you. So we'll close this online window out, and that takes us back to the main menu. We'll choose the local file we've been working on, and then when it's open, we'll go to Online and click Convert to Online Project. That brings up the new Online Project option window, where we again have the option of using an online ticket or converting our project to a trial project that cannot be saved. We'll go with the online ticket that we've purchased. We'll keep that title and copy over the ticket number to Create Project. So there's our online projects page with our newly created sample project ready for collaborators. We click on our project, and we're back to the familiar Fuzzlecheck main window. The difference you can see here is the online project window has the online buttons, while the local version does not. So that should be enough to get you started. But what if you're still wondering which edition of Fuzzlecheck 4 is the one you're looking for? If you haven't purchased a license or an online ticket yet, You can still play around with the trial versions of Fuzzlecheck by clicking here on the main menu, and that will take you to a brief outline of each edition and the features they offer. There's the Standard Edition, the Pro Edition, and the Units Edition, with the main features of each, and you can choose whichever you'd like to try, and you're taken to a sample project with all the features of the edition you've chosen. Keep in mind, of course, that you cannot save changes or print anything from this sample project. We will be covering the features of each edition in other tutorials, and if you have any questions in the meantime, you can email us at info@fuzzlecheck.com. Thanks for watching.